this week's video. I hope everyone's had a nice weekend and that. This week I'm back in the kitchen again, but for something a little bit different. Anyone who knows us knows I like to keep myself on the charity shops and that. I'm always looking for bargains and that. I love it. And this week I managed to get my hands on one of these, an air fryer. I've resisted these for years. I don't really know why. A bit like when I was trying to convince my mother to buy a microwave in the 80s. Newfangled things and that. But I managed to get this for £8, absolute steal. So we're going to plug it in, I'm going to have a go, I'm going to cook something that I've been cooking in the oven for months. It's like a burrito-y thing. I don't really know if it's a burrito or not, but it's super convenient, super quick, and that's what this is all about, or meant to be all about, super convenient and that. So yeah, let's get on with it. Right, before we move over to the new magical device, we'll have a quick run through what I'm going to put in this burrito thing. Super simple these, it's all shop bought convenience stuff, just to make it easy. When you've got that thing where you get in from work and you've got to get out straight away and that, but you want something substantial, this will fill the gap. Absolutely fine. But we're using a couple of tortilla wraps, a bag of this ready cooked rice. I like going for whole grain rice. You can go for whatever rice you want, and that pilau rice works in it. It's fantastic. A squirt of this chili and garlic sauce. You can use barbecue sauce, use your favourite sauce, you know. It doesn't matter. It's your burrito-y thing. And this stuff, Uncle Ben's plant-powered chili non-carne. I tried this a few months ago, and I thought it was lush. I'm not too into all this plant-powered stuff and all this. If you're going to eat vegetables, and this is fantastic. It's like spicy beans. Lush, all the spices you're going to need is in there, really, like, great. And some cheese. I've got some grated mozzarella and some extra mature cheddar, just to give it a bit of a bite. Right, well, get set up. What I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be putting these two in the microwave for a minute each, just to loosen them up a bit. And I'll be putting the wraps in the microwave for about 15 seconds. Just so they become foldable and that. I feel sometimes like I'm telling you how to suck eggs when I do these really simple ones, but hey, this is reality cooking, isn't it? Reality cooking. And basically all you're going to do is put the Uncle Ben's in a bowl. So simple. It's great when when you're in a rush. Just come in and do something like this. But I've been doing it in the oven for months. The only thing I forgot to say in the ingredients, you might need a few sprays of Firelight. I haven't got the instructions for this air fryer out. I'm just making it up as I go along, to be honest with you. But I think Firelight might come in handy. You just tip the rice in. I say a minute in the microwave just slackens it up, because this can be really stuck together in that. I love whole grain rices and grains and that. Fantastic, so healthy. And a good squirt of your favourite sauce. I'm using this chili and garlic one, the Crucials ones. They're great, man. Fantastic. Just a good squirt, as much as you want in that. It's your burrito, remember. I keep calling them burritos, but I don't put any foil on them. Because when I first made them, I didn't have any foil. So I just stuck them in the oven, and all the wraps went crispy as out. Lush. And that's basically your mix. And all we're going to do, bring the wrap in. I'm trying to get them all organised here and that. We'll just whack some of this in. Look at that, man. How easy is that? And a lot of this plant-powered stuff's pretty healthy, I think, But anything with vegetables in, I should go first, So we'll just put a little bit of this mozzarella stuff in. Not too much, but it'll just give it a nice stringiness when you cut open. Fantastic. And then some of the extra mature. I love a bit of strong cheese, me. I love it. Tell us in the comments if you been using air fryers and that. Give us some suggestions of what to have a go at. I'll have a go at me, anything. Bit of cheese. I'm making two, because that's what I normally make. Hopefully they'll fit in. But yeah, we'll just wrap it up. Like that. Hopefully that's going to fit in there, I have washed it. I haven't used it. I've washed it when I first got it, but I think 2 will fit in. We'll make it fit. We'll make them fit. Right, bit of that in. Again, bit of cheese. Tell you what, I've got viewers in America now. Isn't that bizarre? Isn't that absolutely bizarre? Fantastic. Got a great comment from one lad, Tom. I think your name's Tom. Fantastic, mate. Oh, glad you're enjoying the videos. Still feels weird like having a bit of an audience. I'm on my way to 500 subscribers. Nuts. I'd still make the videos if I didn't have an audience, you know. To be honest with you, like, because I just like doing it. Right, let's see if I can wrap this one properly. Right, that's what burritos. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to give them a little spray of this stuff. I've had a tip off a friend, said just spray your stuff with fry light and stick it in the air fryer and you'll be fine. So that's what we're doing. So if it's wrong, we can blame him. Bit of a squirt. And we'll move over to the newfangled device. See how we get on. Right, I'm all set up. Let's see how we get on. If I'm doing this wrong, get in the comments and tell us, you know, because absolute beginner. So we'll pull the jaw out. I think I'll give it a little spray of fry light. And we'll wedge these things in. Right, let's see if they fit. Doesn't look like they're going to fit. We'll push the corners over. We'll just whack them in. Yeah, that's alright. The same with this one. Just push the corners in. Right, here we go. Normally, I'd cook them in the oven for about 15 minutes on about 160, 170. I don't let them go black. I just let these dry out, the wraps. Just let the wraps dry out. They're lush, they go crispy as out. I'm going to be serving them mine with salad and that. It's absolutely fantastic. So this goes back in there. And here we go. So I'm going to set this one 170 or 180, 160, 170. It goes like it goes 80, 120, 160, 200. Odd set of numbers to go by, like, but we'll go about there. And the time, I'm going to do it about 10 minutes. I got told to cut it by about half my time. I've got a mate who's got one of these, like, and she loves it, so she's been giving us loads of tips. So we'll go for about 10 minutes. We'll see how we get on. Right, I'm going to put the spare mixture in the fridge. That'll last us a couple of days. Absolutely fantastic. Look at this. I'm stepping into 2023. Fantastic. Doesn't make too much noise. Not too bad at all, that, you know. See how it smells, because I don't want it smelling like a deep fat fryer. They absolutely stink, them, like. Right, our buzzer's just gone off. Let's see what we've got. I'm a bit apprehensive with this one. Oh, look at them. Aren't them fantastic? Look at that. Let's get in with the little camera and have a nosy. Look at them. They look great. In fact, do they look better than the oven? Possibly. Fantastic. How crispy are they? Oh, listen to that. Right, we're going to shift this thing out of the way, bring a plate in, stack them up, and we'll say we're goodbyes. Absolutely fantastic. Air fryers. Who knew it? Right, I'd just like to thank everyone for watching. It amazes us that I've got a bit of an audience, but we're getting there. I say it's only me hobby, not every video will be for everyone, but yeah, fantastic. Look at these. They haven't even stuck together. I was worried about them sticking together, like. But get in the comments, tell us about other stuff I can make in this air fryer thing and that. Look at that. I think I'll put it back over the top there so it looks good. Look at that. Fantastic. Yeah, tell us about stuff I can make and that. And I'll have a go. Right, we'll just bring in a knife and we'll crack one of these open. Like I say, keep liking, keep subscribing and that. See how far we can push it. But try these, man. You might like them. Look at that. Isn't that fantastic? Doesn't that look lush? Look. You might even notice on the salad, I got a bit of the chorizo from the winter soup video. Go and watch that one, man. It's a cracker. You might like it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Join in next week if you can. Like and subscribe, like I've already said. And be kind and I'll see you next week. Thank you very much.